The Palestinian Health Ministry says Israeli forces are intensifying attacks on 3 hospitals in northern Gaza. The ministry, run by Hamas, says Israeli troops are forcing the wounded and patients to evacuate. This as the IDF says 3 of its soldiers were killed in combat in northern Gaza. ABC's Inez de la Quatara joins me now from London with more on that. Inez, what's the latest on this fighting?
Yeah, Diane, so the fighting at the moment appears to be concentrated in the north, with the IDF saying that 3 Israeli soldiers were killed in combat in northern Gaza on Monday. And we are learning that 3 hospitals have come under attack by the IDF, with medical sources saying at least 20 people were injured among the medical staff at the Kamal Adwan Hospital. That's one of the last remaining hospitals in northern Gaza. And this happened after a remote-controlled explosive device was detonated in the area near the hospital. The hospital's director saying that over the weekend, bullets penetrated part of the hospital, including the ICU and maternity ward. We have asked the IDF for comment on this and are still waiting to hear back.
Now, this comes as Prime Minister Netanyahu says progress is being made on a potential ceasefire. What's the latest on that?
Yeah, that's right. So Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu addressed the Knesset, that's the Israeli parliament, on Monday. He told lawmakers that he can carefully say that there has been certain progress made in ongoing negotiations. He did couch that a bit by saying he doesn't know how long it's going to take. But according to statements recently made by both Israeli and Palestinian officials, we understand that gaps between Israel and Hamas over a possible ceasefire deal have narrowed, though crucial differences have yet to be resolved. We understand that, according to one Israeli minister, sticking points include the identity of the Palestinian prisoners that would be released in exchange for the hostages. Another issue is the exact deployment of Israeli troops in Gaza, but there is certainly optimism here that the 2 sides are closer to reaching an agreement than they have been in months.
All right, Inez de la Quatara in London, thank you.